Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you a lecture on the topic Hayes bridge. Hayes bridge is basically a modification of Maxwell inductance bridge. Now we can see Hayes bridge, which is mainly used to find the value of unknown inductance L1 and unknown resistance R1. Here in this circuit, this is R4, this is C4. When we apply our AC voltage, then current I is flowing in the circuit. Hence, we get two current, I1 and I2. Now here in this circuit, L1 is unknown inductance, R1 unknown resistance, R2, R3 and R4 are known non-inductive resistance. C4 is capacitor, known capacitor. Which is also a standard capacitor or standard capacitor. Now we can solve this bridge at balance condition. Here D is potentiometer, which is mainly used to calculate the value of voltage drop. At balance condition, when the voltage drop of all branches are equal, then we calculate the value of unknown inductance L1 and unknown resistance R1. Here we can compare the voltage drop of each side. Here in this circuit, voltage drop of this side is E1, voltage drop of this side is E2, voltage drop of this side is E4, voltage drop of this side is E3. Now we can calculate the voltage drop of each side. Here due to voltage drop, I1 E1 is equal to I2 E2 and I1 voltage drop of this side is E1. This is E3 upon E4. Now we can put the value of E1, E2, E3 and E4. Then we get I1 into Z1 upon I2 into Z2, I3 into Z3, I4 into Z4. Now we can put the value of impedance, which is equal to I1 is equal to R1 plus j omega L1 upon I2 into R2. Here the value of I3 is I1, the value of impedance is R3 upon the value of impedance I4 is I2. Now we can put the value of Z4, which is equal to R4 plus 1 upon j omega C4. Here in this term, the value of j is in denominator. Now we can multiply j in numerator and denominator, then we get R1 plus j omega L1. The equal current is cancelled out. R2 equal to R3 upon, this is equal to, here this is R4 minus j upon omega C4. The value of j square is -1. Now we can cross multiply this statement. Then we get R1 plus j omega L1 into R4 minus j upon omega C4, which is equal to R2 and R3. Now we can multiply this bracket. 4 plus j omega L1 into R4 minus j R1 upon omega C4 plus minus plus j square is -1, then minus is plus, and omega cancelled out. L1 upon C4 is equal to R2 into R3. Now with the help of this statement we can compare real and imaginary part. Now we can compare real and imaginary part. Then with the help of real part we get R1 R4 plus L1 upon C4 is equal to R2 into R3. Now we can calculate. First of all we calculate the value of L1. Now we can compare imaginary part. Then we get j omega L1 into R4 is equal to j R1 upon omega C4. Here j is cancelled out and L1 is equal to R1 upon omega square R4 into C4. Here we get the value of L1. Now here this is our equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now we can put the value of L1 in equation number first. Then we get R1 R4 plus R1 upon omega R4 C4 का square is equal to R2 into R3. Now we can take common value of R1, then we get omega square R4 का square C4 का square plus 1 upon omega square R4 C4 का square, which is equal to R2 into R3. So now we can find the value of R1, which is equal to omega square R2 R3 R4 C4 का square upon plus omega square R4 का square C4 का square, which is equal to 3. Now we can find the value of R1 with the equation 3 in terms of equation 3. C4 का square upon omega square R4 into C4 upon 1 plus omega square R4 का square to C4 का square. Now we can find value of R1 and L1 with the help of Hayes bridge. Now we can solve equation number 4 and get the value of L1 is R2 R3 C4 upon 1 plus omega square R4 square into C4 ka square. Here we can see the phasor diagram for Hayes bridge, in which I1 omega L1 is always leading with current I1 I3, and due to capacitance I2 omega C4 is always lagging. Here E3 E4 is always in phase because of the value of resistance. Now with this help we can calculate the resultant value E. We can see in this phasor diagram. Here with the help of Hayes bridge we can calculate and find the value of R1 and L1. This is a type of AC bridge. If you have any query then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.